we should subtract. For example, NH4 plus in this molecule, what is hybridization is present? Cation. So 1 by 2, its group number, central atom group number is 5 plus 4 monovalent elements, 4 are there, and then minus 1 here. There is a plus 1 charge, so that charge we should subtract. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 1 by 2, then 5 plus 3, 8. Again 2 ones, 2 fours. So 4 means sp3 hybridization. And similarly H3O plus. H3O plus. So here the central atom is oxygen. So 1 by 2 is equal to group number, oxygen group number 6. Sixth group. So there are how many? 3 monovalent atoms. So there is a minus 1 charge. So 3 minus 1, 2.